We often talk about human values, moral values, and relationships, but do not make an effort to propagate those in our children. In that series, this small story, Balancing Scale of Love. He is least bothered about my feelings and is always concerned and worried about his mother. I don't want to get back there. Let him stay with his mother and serve her. Vibhaji had been listening for some time to her daughter that had come from her matrimonial house. It was not a major issue, just little disagreements on trivial matters in the family. After the daughter lightened herself, berating much about the in-laws, Vibhaji responded, "What do we do when we go to buy vegetables from the market?" Her strange question irritated the daughter, who responded that we have it weighed in the balancing pans. What else? And what do we do to get the right quantity and weight? This was another vague question from Vibhaji. The daughter was quite irritated with such questions and retorted that we keep vegetables in one pan and the standard weight on the other pan. But Beti, if we require 1 kilogram of vegetable, can we have it by placing 100 grams of the standard weight on the other pan? This was another question in tandem that the daughter thought was irrelevant. Why are you being so childish, Ma? How can you weigh 1 kilogram of vegetable by 100 grams weight? The daughter got frustrated of the silly questions. So my dear, how can you expect to get a kilogram of love against 100 grams of respect and affection? Vibhaji was serious now. What do you mean? The daughter was aghast with astonishment. What I mean is that relationships are like balancing pans. The two pans will balance if they carry equal weight on either side, said Vibhaji. The daughter got quiet to listen to the mother. You do not respect and love your mother-in-law as you love me. Also, you do not cooperate with your husband and expect all of them should hold you on a pedestal with great esteem and love. It does not happen that way. Place as much love and respect on your pan first as you desire from your matrimonial family. The balance of relationships will balance then. The daughter realized her mistake with moist eyes.